Howdy folks, we're going to start today in a nice comfortable seat. Long spine, drop your shoulders away from your ears, let them go. You can soften your eyes closed just for a moment, checking in with your breath. Letting that other stuff go just for a little while as we practice. I offer the intention of presence today. And blink your eyes open. And extend your left arm out at 45 degrees. Bring your right ear to your right shoulder. A gentle neck stretch. We'll be here for several breaths. Try to keep that depth in your breath. And you can play with the angle here, rolling your chin down towards your chest. Finding that sweet spot to breathe into. A couple more like that. And slowly up to neutral spine. Bring your left hand in, right arm out at 45. Left ear to left shoulder for the next stretch. Breathe into your neck. You can play with that angle, roll your chin down and around. Breathe. Couple more like that. One more full breath. And back to neutral. Take your time getting to a child's pose. No rush here. Knees wide, hips back. Get your arms out long. Grounding. And slowly bend at your elbows for a nice stretch in your lats. And for an extra depth, you can inch your elbows towards the front of your mat. It's just a subtle difference in these few inches. Big stretch here. Settle in. Breathe deep. And reground your hands. Shift your hips forward to a neutral table. Getting some twisting in. Reach your right arm high and thread the needle. Right arm under and across, resting on your right temple. And you can take a couple options here. You could extend your left arm out to the corner. You could tent your fingers or drop to your forearm. Option for a bind, for a little bit deeper of a twist. Left hand to right thigh, hip. A couple more deep breaths, softening. Last full breath here. And reground your left hand beneath your shoulder. Inhale your right arm high. Stay here for a couple breaths as you roll your wrist. Take that in both directions slowly. One more. Inhale, open up wide. Exhale, ground your right hand. Switch it. Inhale, left arm reaches up. Open up. Exhale, thread the needle, left arm under and across, resting left temple. You can extend your arm, whatever you took on the first side, tent your fingers, drop to your forearm, or take the bind We're here for several deep breaths. Try to keep that depth through the practice. Take 2 more like that. One more breath here. And ground your right hand beneath your shoulder. Next, inhale, left arm reaches back up. Here for a couple breaths, roll that left wrist. A couple times in both directions. One more, inhale, open up. Exhale, ground your left hand. Shift your hips back to hero's pose. Knees to touch. Coming into a toe squat. Tuck your toes. And let your sits bones rest on your heels. Some major stretch in the backside body, calves, hamstrings, the whole backside body. To take it a little deeper, you can bring your chin to chest, just an option. For even more depth, you can interlace your hands behind your head and add some weight to that flexion forward. Big stretch. Stay with your breath. One more here. And release. Untuck your toes. Coming to a neutral heroes. Hinging from your hips. Long spine over your thighs. Coming into a traditional child's pose. Knees still touching. Hands back by your hips. Palms face up. And let your shoulders melt over your thighs. Resting the full weight of your head into the earth. Couple deep breaths here. Full surrender. Let it go. All the tension in your shoulders, your neck. One more deep breath. And bring your hands beneath your shoulders. Slowly push yourself up. Neutral hero's pose. Hands to heart center. Take a full breath in together, fill up. Open mouth, exhale. One more like that, fully in. Empty out. Hands to third eye. We bow. Namaste. Share the love. I'll see you on the next one.